Hi, today we are going to be talking about solving radical equations. Let's get started. So first off, we have the square root of 5x plus 4 is equal to 9. What we're going to do is we're going to square both sides of this equation. So then we're left with 5x plus 4 on the left-hand side because the square root and the square sign cancel each other out. So we have 5x plus 4 is equal to 9 squared, which is equal to 81. So now this becomes a simple algebra problem, and we have 5x is equal to 81 minus 4, which is equal to 77. So x is equal to 77 over 5. Okay, simple enough. Now we're going to go on to a harder problem. It has two square roots, so we have the square root of 2x plus the square root of x plus 2 is equal to 4. Whew. Okay, well, let's try that. So we are going to first square both sides, like we did in the earlier problem. So on the left-hand side, we'll have 2x plus 2 times the square root of 2x times x plus 2. And this will plus x plus 2, and this will equal 16. Okay, let's simplify this a bit. So we have this is equal to 3x plus 2 times the square root of 2x squared plus 4x is equal to 16. I'm going to bring these two terms to the right-hand side. So now I have 2 times the square root of 2x squared plus 4x is equal to 16 minus 2, so that's just 14, minus 3x, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to square both sides again. So we're doing some double squaring. So now the left side is 4 times 2x squared plus 4x, and this is equal to 196 minus 84x plus 9x squared. Okay, and now I'm going to expand out the left-hand side. So I have 8x squared plus 16x is equal to 196 minus 84x plus 9x. So now x squared. So I want to make this a quadratic, so I'm going to bring these two terms to the right-hand side. So I have 0 is equal to 196 minus 100x plus x squared. Okay? And now this is just a nice little quadratic formula, and realize we can factor this. So this is just x minus 98 times x minus 2. This makes us believe that x is 2 and 98. But to make sure, because when we're squaring we are causing a lot of extraneous solutions, we want to make sure that these two actually work, 2 and 98. So let's go back up, and we have the square root of 2x plus the square root of x plus 2 is equal to 4. So let me write that again here. Square root of 2x plus the square root of x plus 2 is equal to 4. Now I want to check these if these actually work. So number 1. And I'm going to substitute in x equals 2 the first time. So 2 times 2 plus 2 plus 2. And this is equal to square root of 4 plus square root of 4. And this is equal to 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. Okay, great. This one works. Now let's try 98. So square root of 98 times 2 plus 98 plus 2, and this is equal to square root of 196 plus square root of 100, and this is equal to it is equal to 14 plus 10, and this is equal to 24, and this is not equal to 4, so 24 is not equal to 4. So the real answer, as a matter of fact, is actually just x is equal to 2. Okay? Well, let's cool down with a little bit of an easier problem. It's a cubic, so we have, a cube root, so we have the cube root of 3x plus 1 is equal to 3. So in this case, instead of squaring, what we're going to do is we're going to raise both sides to the power of 3. And when we raise to the power of 3, the cube root and the power of 3 cancel each other out. So on the left-hand side, we are just left with 3x plus 1. And this is equal to 3 squared, which is 27. So 3x is equal to 27 minus 1, which is equal to 26. So 3x is equal to 26, which means that x is equal to 26 over 3. Okay, so I hope that helped, and I hope to see you soon.